Hi there, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Daniel, and today we're gonna talk settings. So the first mode which we're gonna talk today is P mode, which stands for programmed. It is kinda enhanced auto mode, but you are able to change the ISO. That way, if you don't want noise into your photos or videos, you can set the ISO as low as you can to 100. The next mode is S mode for Nikon or TV mode for Canon users, which stands for shutter priority. This mode is pretty useful in video mode when you want to go by the book and keep the 180-degree rule. So let's say that if you are recording at 24 fps, then you're gonna have to set your shutter speed at 48th of a second or 50th of a second, which is gonna give you the 180-degree rule, so you won't have to worry about it anymore. The next mode we are talking about is the A mode or AV mode, which stands for Aperture Priority. Similarly, like above, this release mode only allows you to change the aperture setting in your camera. This mode is really helpful when you shoot portraits or when you're shooting photography and you want to achieve the blurry background or the bokeh effect. So in order to get that effect, you have to set your aperture, the f-stop, to the lowest as possible. If you have a fast lens, then you can set it to f1.8 or f1.4. It depends on which lens you are using. The last but most important of all is the M mode or manual mode. Most beginners, they get intimidated and they want to stay away from this mode. But this is why you want to get a DSLR or a mirrorless camera in the first place, because you want to have a full control over your camera settings and you want to set them manually. This release mode allows you to fully understand your camera settings and set them accordingly. Don't be afraid to go out and experiment with your camera settings. After a while, after you get used to them, you'll never go back to auto mode anymore, because you'll be able to expose your photo correctly. So my advice for you, the beginners, it's go outside and try different settings, try different modes, and see how it goes and understand your settings. I'd say if you practice enough, you'll master the settings in probably a couple of weeks. So don't think about it and just go and practice. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found any value on this video, press the like button and subscribe for similar content. I'll see you next time. Salut!